Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. On today's baking vlog, I am going to show you how to turn this old bread into super creamy bread pudding. Don't waste your bread guys! Keep on watching so I can show you how to make it. So guys, first thing that I'm going to do is to kinda toast all the breads into a griller that I have here. You can do the same on baking it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or using a normal bread toaster. Then start preheating the oven for 200 degrees Celsius. Next, I'm going to make a custard mixture. I'm going to simmer 1 cup of milk with half a teaspoon of salt. Just keep on mixing until you see a bubbles on the side, then turn off the heat and set it aside to cool down. My breads are ready and toasted. What I'm going to do next is to cut them into smaller pieces, just like this one. So guys, I have here all the ingredients I need. I have here the bread, the milk, the egg and vanilla for the custard mixture, and what I'm going to do next is to brush the baking pan with oil just to make sure nothing will stick in the pan while baking it. So guys, what I'm basically gonna do here is to prepare the custard mixture for our bread pudding. So I have here the milk that I simmered a while ago. I'm just going to stir it to remove any lumps or anything in between in the milk. Make sure you cool down the milk before adding the rest of the ingredients because we're going to add eggs in here guys, so we don't want to end up having an egg omelette. So right now I'm adding 3 eggs. And I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract in our mixture. Just grab your whisk and whisk them until well blended. The next thing to do guys is to transfer all the breads into our prepared baking pan. Then pour in the custard mixture all over the bread. And just push them in to fill all the spaces between the breads. Right now guys, the bread will start to soften. Then, pop the pan into our preheated 200 degrees oven for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the top gets golden. While waiting for the pudding to bake, I am going to prepare our topping sauce. So on a saucepan like this, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and add 2 tablespoons of flour. and just mix it to form a roux. In it, I'm going to add 2 cups of milk that I boiled and cooled down to warm. And make sure you stir while pouring the milk so that we're gonna end up of having good texture on our sauce. We want that clean, creamy sauce, guys, without any lumps of flour in it. Now I'm adding half a cup of sugar. Stir so that the sugar dissolves faster. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla for that extra vanilla essence. Just keep on mixing until you reach your desired creaminess and thickness of the vanilla sauce toppings. So here's the consistency of the vanilla toppings that I'm looking for. And now our pudding is ready, freshly baked for 35 minutes. Our pudding is ready, it's time to pour in and to add some of our sauce into the top of our pudding. Wow, all this goodness, guys. Make sure to fill all the spaces with our super creamy vanilla sauce toppings. So guys, here's my super quick, super simple, and super easy delicious creamy bread pudding. This is best served with a warm cup of coffee or a cup of tea. I hope you will give my recipe a try, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, click the notification bell so that you're always updated every time I upload, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!